Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to today's learning video of Excel. This is a short video. In 10 minutes, we will learn how to split data into multiple cells. Like in this case, I have a name. For that, from that name, I want to split the name into first, middle, and last name. So there are different ways to split the data. So before starting the video, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button for all future updates, and if you like the video, please press the like button. Let's start. So the first way of using the flash fill option is to use flash fill. How flash fill works? It is basically a formula given by the Excel. So this is the data stuffed into one column. So how we can split it? In the cell names under first name, type the first name like Nancy, and then I type Andy, and so on. When you see the faded list of suggestion, press enter right away. The list of suggestion is called flash fill. Flash fill detects when you type the consistent pattern and provides suggestion to fill the cells with, and when you see the faded list, that's your cue to the press enter. You can also use another way for the flash fill. One way is to use shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus E. When you press Ctrl E, it will automatically flash fill the following cells. But you can also use the flash fill under home bar, and you can see the option called fill, and the last option is flash fill. So there are three ways to using flash fill. Just start typing, Excel will automatically give you the suggestions. Next is to use home bar. Under home button, you can use the flash fill option, or you can also use Ctrl E to automatically flash fill the cells. It will basically change the data into multiple cells. Second way is to use the text to column. So under this case, split a column based on delimiters. What are the delimiters? Like you can see in the data, this comma is the delimiter. Delimiter means that character which is separating the data. Flash fill is pretty handy, but if you want to split data into more than one column all at once, so it will take time for every column, then it's not the best tool for the job. Now we will try text to column. How to do that? Just click and drag to the cell Nancy to जो last one वाला cell है उसके ऊपर हमने select किया. On the data tab, click text to column. Make sure the delimited is selected. We have selected the delimited. Now press the next. I have to select the delimiter. Like if the delimiter is tab, I will select tab, semicolon, comma. In our case, data is delimited using comma option. Once I press the comma, it will automatically show the preview of your data. Now press next. So comma data format, click the journal option. Column data format, I am using the journal because it's simple text. And then finally select destination. Under destination, this is my destination. Then press finish. So it has changed my single cell data to multiple cells in a one go. Okay, this was the second way to separate the data that was written in a single cell to different cell. So first flash fill, then text to column. Third one is using the formula. So like in this case, how to use the formula? The formula we will use is left formula, find formula, right formula, len length formula. So there are four formulas which we are using today. So how to split a column with formulas? You might want to write a formula to split data. This way, if the original data gets updated, then the split data will get updated as well. This will help when your main data, original data is updating, formula will automatically update your target data. But flash will not do that. It is a one-time option, but formula will help you do the advanced option. It is possible when using a handful of functions like left, right, find and length function. So how to do that? So this is my data in the first cell, that is name of a person, that is my name, first name Jagjit, middle name Singh, last name Panesar, that is my surname. How to do that? Double click on the yellow cell and in this I will write the formula like left is equal to left, bracket start. Now my target source data is D4. This is the name that I want to split, and to specify the number, left function will pick up the left desired characters for my case. Like in this case is equal to, I'm starting from doing from the start, left bracket start. Now I have to select the name, comma. Now it is asking how many characters you want to split. So to do that I will use one more option, more formula, that is find, because name is mainly splitted using space. So to split the data using formula, I have to find the location of space, and find function is best one to do that. Find function will find text. Text is my space. So I have written space in the inverted commas. Now comma within text. Which text? This is the name, comma start number. You can also skip that, bracket close. So what it has done? It has separated first those characters which are before space. And one more thing you can do, that is delete or subtract 1 from the length. What it will do? It will subtract the space from the function. So how it works? Extract a character from the left side of this cell, that is D4, and extract the many characters to specify number of character, use find function. And then subtract 1 to exclude the space itself. This was the first function. And how to do the middle name and last name separate? So for this I need a helper column. Helper column, how to split the middle and last name? I am using the right function. It will find the data from the right, separate the data from the right. In right, this name, how many numbers? Length of D4 minus find space in D4. What will it will do? It will find the space in D4, that is the this space, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 characters it will find in total characters, and after subtracting that these right characters will be splitted. So how to do that? Is equal to right, bracket start, text, comma how many characters? First I will find the total length of this cell, data in the cell, minus find, I will find space in which text, again this one, bracket close, second bracket close. So it will split the middle and last name in helper column. From that helper column you can do again left function to split the data. Okay, and the last function, last name, you have to again do the right function itself. So I am using left right to split data into first, middle and last name. First I have splitted this first name, then after first name I have splitted 3 words into 2 different columns, first name and helper column, and from that middle name and last name. This was using the formula. I hope you get it. If you understood, please do comment in the comment box to appreciate the formula. Last option for today is transpose. Transpose is basically we use in schools. What transpose function does is it will convert the columns into rows or rows into column. First, the main option is using copy paste. Right click, copy, and on the desired cell, like in the yellow cell, I will select paste special, not Control V, I will use paste special. Then there is an option called transpose. Once selected, it will automatically transpose your data from columns to rows. One more option is to use paste special. It is to use these shortcut keys Control Alt plus V. So it will open the paste special dialog box. Select transpose. So it will transpose the data. So this was in today's video using flash fill to separate the data, text to column using the data tab and then text to column function, and then using formula left, find, right or length. 4 formulas were covered, and last option is transpose. So transpose is using paste special function. One more option is to use transport using formula, and formulas will be covered in next class. So if you are interested, please do press the subscribe button so that we can again meet in the next video. Thank you so much for today's video. Do comment your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.